First-generation Mustangs are some of the coolest and most popular classics around, and the comfort and ability provided by the Pro Touring movement really puts the icing on the cake. This national award-winning drop top complements everything great about legendary Detroit muscle, with thoughtful customization and incredible power. A slick 60s bombshell that features an impressively straight body, this tough Mustang benefited from a six-figure rotisserie build. After a full strip, the car stretched DuPont two-stage under power-operated cloth. And today, this Ford rolls as one head-turning thoroughbred that's won major accolades from many of America's largest car shows. Swing the doors and you'll find an impressive custom cockpit that features plush leather sport buckets with big bolsters. A custom leather-wrapped dash hangs billet-trimmed classic instruments gauges next to modern air conditioning, and the driver stays connected to a polished and half-wrapped steering wheel and a canted shifter. Power comes from a rowdy 460 cubic inch V8 that's capable of roughly 600 horsepower. Behind that big mill is a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission that feeds a 9-inch rear with a Traction Lok differential. When it comes to maximizing the amount of metal your money buys, you simply cannot go wrong with a purpose-built pony car that commands respect on the boulevard and the show field. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.